How to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. Stripe is an online payment processing platform that allows businesses and individuals to accept payments over the internet. It provides a secure and convenient way to handle transactions, including credit card payments, subscriptions, and more, making it a popular choice for e-commerce and online businesses. So, hello everyone! Here's a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Stripe. The first thing you want to do is start logging into your Stripe account, and if you don't have one, create an account on the Stripe website. Then once you are logged in, the key step is to link your bank account to your Stripe account. Go to the balances and then click Manage Payouts and then Manage Bank Accounts. In my case, I have already linked my account, so in your part, I suggest to link your account. And then Stripe will send a verification email to the email address associated with your Stripe account. So go to your email inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. In order for you to link your bank account, you have to fill in this information that requires you to put your account holder name, routing number, account number, and you need to confirm your account number. And then you're going to hit save in here because I've already have my account, so it says edit account. After clicking the verification link, your bank account will be confirmed and linked to your Stripe account. This means that your payouts and funds will be withdrawn directly to your linked bank account. Also in here, you can actually see your USD balance or any currency that you have. Also the upcoming payouts to your bank, and then those balances that on the way to your bank. And you can actually edit your payout schedule by clicking payouts and then manage. Then you can set it by week or by month or manually, depending on what you prefer, and then you actually hit save. Okay, so basically that's it. You have successfully linked your bank account to your Stripe account and initiated a withdrawal. Your money will be deposited directly to your bank account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to your channel for more informative videos. Thank you!